Hello all, welcome to another episode of GitHub Copilot Enterprise. In a previous video, we discussed about Copilot support for PR summary generation. Today, we are looking at one of the enhancement on the PR area, how Copilot can support the PR text completion. This feature is in early stage. You need to enable this first. So I'm in a new PR creation window where I can use this Copilot icon to generate the summary or outline of my PR. Instead of that, I'm planning to use the text completion feature today. Before using the text completion, you need to enable that as part of your organization setting or enterprise setting policies. There is opt-in for preview features. This is an early stage, so you need to opt in for preview features. Once it's enabled, you will be able to get that preview features here. I have refreshed the pull request page and going to Copilot, you have a new settings available here, text completion. It's in beta stage where the user can enable or disable. So let us start capturing the PR. This PR is for search implementation. And I need the changes captured here. Changes include, and going for the included changes. As you can observe, Copilot suggested the changes. It's added the search feature and the search result page, and also added a method for testing and included some of these things. So Copilot coming up with the complete suggestions. If I feel something needs to be changed, I can go ahead and update it. Otherwise, just accept the changes, verify it, and then go ahead and create a new pull request. This changes, whatever the changes coming here, it's part of my commits. There are 3 commits happened. One is the search implementation, and there is a new file for testing and the sample search implementation with test data. All 3 commits are summarized, and if I preview, I can see the properly it's captured the file names and the associate method updates. Here we have the methods index.html, and there is a method test.py, validation.py. All these are captured as part of the PR description generated from text completion. So this is the new enhancement into the Copilot support for PR area.